Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. I'm Hakeem. Today I'll be reviewing a hair system that I purchased from Lordhair company. Let's get right to it. The one that I have on right now, I'm very satisfied with. The color blends in very well with my natural hair. So this is the hairpiece, and then this is my natural hair. I can't even tell. The color pretty much is seamless. Hair loss pretty much runs in my family, and I am fairly young, and I did not want to go bald quite yet. So I decided to do something about it, and I found Lordhair hair system pieces, and I decided to try it out. The prices were affordable, and this is the outcome, and I'm very happy with it. The front hairline is pretty much invisible. Can't even tell. I've had multiple people compliment me on my hair, including my family members, and nobody knew that I had anything on. They all thought I grew my hair out, which was pretty sweet. And pretty much styling wise, what I do to style this every morning, if I put product in my hair, I will put a pomade. Suavecito pomade is what I like to use. That's what I've got in right now. It stays the whole day, and it pretty much smells good too. So I like using that, and I just use a styling brush. I don't even use a hair dryer. You could if you wanted to, but I don't use a hair dryer. And pretty much when I'm putting the hair system on, I use two things. So this one has a lace front, and this one also has the skin on the perimeter. So this one's the Neo, I believe. So I use two products. I use this one here. It's a melt me down lace holding spray. So I pretty much, when I don't have this on, right after I shower, I make sure my crown is all the way dry. I'll spray this all over my head, and then before putting the hairpiece on, I will line the edges of my hairpiece with this Ultra Hold double-sided hair system tape that I also purchased from Lordhair. It's maximum wear 2 to 4 weeks, which is sweet. So very easy to do it yourself. You're just gonna need some scissors, just to sit down and make sure the hair doesn't get in underneath your hair system so it stays. But putting it on by yourself is not an issue. Shaving your head around the top to make sure it's attached to your actual head can be a little tricky. I did it myself, but I actually ended up doing it correctly. So for those of you who are thinking about using one of these systems, I highly recommend it. The quality is top notch. It doesn't feel artificial. It feels like regular human hair. The quality is very, very good. I'm very happy with this, and I will definitely be investing more with Lordhair. That's pretty much all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Peace.